Hello YouTubers! Today, what I got for you today is a AG high efficiency air conditioner. Let's take a look around it. First is the side, and on here comes the maker. On the side there is a half piece of the full, like a square, or maybe half like a baby square. And there, warning. It's very hard to see because I can't read it this time on this video because it was very hard to climb up, because I want to show you this thing. We had to climb up these rocks. Or maybe we can take the other way, but it's not Halloween. But we're not talking about Halloween. All we're talking about is, like, look at that, how hard it is. You might get stung by a bee. I can't even read it because there's like a wire in there. Or there's a wire in the wall. This is very hard to read. Electrical shock. This is a two-bladed model air conditioner. And you notice it's kind of ripped. So,
no,
just ripped in. Let me just put that back in there. Let me have a. Okay, now banged. Looks like shoes or something. I don't even know what I'm saying. This is like, it has like this square thing to hold it in, but just don't take the whole piece out because you might get electrocuted or something. And but it's not shoes. Here, Melbank, it says it right here. If you touch the metal, it's kind of loosening. So I would close it in there. So I think this one is efficiently clean, but there's a little bit spider webs in there and a little bit dirty in there. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, rate, like, and dislike. Peace out.